In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a zip file to Google Drive. Whether you're sharing files with friends, backing up important data, or just organizing your digital life, uploading zip files to Google Drive is a simple process. I'm here to walk you through it step by step. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Drive homepage. If you're not signed in, you'll need to enter your Google account credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll be greeted by your Google Drive dashboard, displaying all your available files and folders. Now look towards the top left corner of the screen and you'll see a button labeled New. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to adding new items to your Google Drive. Once clicked, you'll be presented with a drop-down menu offering a variety of options. For our needs, you'll want to choose File Upload. Selecting this will open a dialog box that allows you to browse through your computer's file system. At this point, navigate to the folder on your computer where your zip file is stored. Once you've located it, click on the file to highlight it and then select Open. You'll find a convenient little area on the bottom right corner of the dialog box where the Open button resides. Clicking this button will initiate the upload process. Now, you've begun uploading your file. You'll see a progress bar appear at the bottom right of your Google Drive window. This indicates that your zip file is being transferred from your local storage to the cloud. The duration of this upload depends on both the size of the file and the speed of your internet connection, so feel free to multitask while you wait. Once the progress bar reaches its end, your file will be fully uploaded. You might notice a brief notification confirming the success of the upload, so keep an eye out for that. Congratulations, your zip file is now safely stored in your Google Drive, accessible from any device with an internet connection. To access or share your recently uploaded file, navigate through your folders, or use the search feature at the top of the page. You can click on the file to open it, download it, or right-click on it to find various sharing options. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to upload your zip files to Google Drive. With this knowledge, you can easily manage and share your files, all from the safety of the cloud. Thanks for following along, and be sure to check out our other